This is insane. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already 90 degrees. Let me see, what time is it? Oh, sorry. 8:30. And the weather is, oh, hell no, 88 degrees. Yeah. Your boy got a new camera. I caved. I got the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been seeing these things everywhere. And I like to vlog. I won't lie. It's kind of fun. But I don't want to be carrying around my big-ass camera, having to stick it out all the way over here because the lens is like a 35 mil. I don't feel like spending more money on lenses. So I was like, you know what? I'll just get this thing and we'll give it a shot. Let's see about this cold start. Let's see how long it takes. Okay. That actually did not take as long as I thought it was going to. It smells good. I love E85. Speaking of, we do have to hit the gas station. I never keep gas in my cars. I don't know what it is. Like, if I see them at a corner, I'll get gas next time I take it out. Oh, I'll get gas next time I'm by a gas station. And then I get to like 5 miles till empty, and then I'm like, oh shit, I forgot to get gas. So, alright, got the Supra warming up. Can't take this car. We made a mistake on it. We cut a brake line. We were putting the coilovers in, and we cut the brake line, so I'm waiting on one of those. I actually have a video for the coilover install. I'll show you guys that. Probably in the next day or two I'll upload it. But can't drive this. The coils are on it, they're just not adjusted. Look how high this damn thing's sitting. God, that looks terrible. In my defense, I was just trying to get home. I didn't want to adjust it yet. It was like 1 a.m. So I just adjusted them all the way up. And I was like, I'll adjust it whenever we get wheels or whatever. Look at this unit. I love this car, man. Ignore the fuse box cover. That's been missing for about a year. I just don't care to get one. I love this car. I love this engine. I love this engine bay. And I love you. All right. Let's put the hood down on this thing. Let's get to getting going. One cool thing about the Supra, you probably didn't know, it has 2 hood latches. I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna hop in the car. Let's go. Holy shit, I love this car. I don't think you guys understand how awesome it is to hear those noises, to feel the vibration, smell it. Oh, it's so good. I am so blessed and so thankful to have a car like this. Remember that thing I was saying about not getting gas when I need to? I need to get gas. Oh, I almost took the car out last night and got gas, but of course I'm lazy and I didn't, and now I need to go out of the way because I'm on E85. And I usually run E85 in the summertime just because it gets hot, like really hot. So, all right, well, I guess the first stop on the way to our cars and coffee is the gas station, which is fine because I gotta get like a drink. I gotta get a drink, this thing's tiny. Damn, this is steep. Wow. Forget which side my gas thing is on. think it's on my side. Oh, if it ain't, it's going across the car. E85 is cool until you gotta go way out of your way to get it. And you gotta do it so often because it just drinks gas. The gas mileage on E85 is so bad, but I don't drive this car enough to care. I'll deal with it. Corn fuel is corn. All right, 20 bucks is good. I don't even drive this thing ever. Let's see if I can do it. Nice. I like when you pull the gas pump out and you don't get gas on the car. You know that meme where it's like waking up for work at 7 a.m. and you're like dead tired? And it's like waking up for cars and coffee at 7 a.m. and you're like wide awake. Yeah, that's not true. I'm tired as shit. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Wow. Howdy. Oh my God, I think they're arguing. Maybe it wasn't time for a howdy. Water. Water. Too big. Essential waters. Nice. Do I get an energy drink? I feel like I shouldn't. Be cracked out. Water's good. I don't need anything else. I don't know what I just hit, but I'm not happy. Let's go investigate. Oh, God, dude. What the fuck was that? Might have been that rock. I don't know. That did not sound good from inside the car. I'll tell you that. That was very loud. Every time I drive this car, man, it's always something. I could drive my Vet, I could drive the 4Runner around all goddamn day. The second I take this car out, something happened. That was loud, bro. That was super loud. All right, well, if I die, hopefully somebody gets this camera and they can refer back to what that was and they can play it at my funeral. Ledger 2 Jay-Z died to a rock. Or he died to a, I don't know. I kind of hate car meets. I don't know why I'm here. I don't come to these anymore. Too many ignorant people. Holy Christ. Wow. There's actually some nice cars here today. I'm not even gonna lie. Nice whip, Brody. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. Hey. All right, what's up, man? I'm not gonna drive around here for 45 minutes looking for a spot. First parking spot I see, I'm taking it. Wow, look at this guy's point of view. Nice. Yo, really? Really? Insane. Absolutely insane. I'm just gonna park in the back. There's no way. How are people finding spots, brother? I'm parking in the back. I don't have patience for this, and it's hot. This looks like a good spot. I found a Toyota, brethren. I thought it was a Lexus, but it ain't. It's a Supra. This thing's stupid clean. Wow. Look at that lineup. Ooh. Kind of over the camber and slam car stuff, but this actually looks really good. It's tastefully done. The body kit's clean, the paint's clean, the body's clean. I like it. I'm proud to be parked behind this guy. Wow. Trunk is hard. That's hard. I've never seen that before. Wow. Wow. This is a Ferrari? No, hold up. What in God's name is this thing? What the hell? Bro, I've never seen one of these before.
This is sick though, I'm messing with it.
I've never seen this before. Brother, I've seen this dude's car on Facebook a lot. Never spoke to him in person or seen it. Ooh, Celsius catch can for coolant. Nice. Nice little stock 2J setup. Well, stock intake manifold, big turbo. I don't know if I like this wing. It's a little bit too flared for me. I just like the regular TRD one.
The black's kind of sick.
Yeah, I can't even imagine. The vet is black. I can't imagine having to keep one of these clean.
Really?
Yeah.
This is your old color, huh?
No.
It's not your old color?
Oh, color. Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought you said car. I met this guy last time. He was hella cool. Probably one of the cleanest paint jobs. This is OEM paint.
Really?
Yeah, probably one of the cleanest OEM paint jobs on a Supra I've ever seen. If my paint was this clean, I wouldn't have wrapped it. Honestly, I would not have wrapped it.
Alex!
What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
I brought it out.
I know. This guy got a Supra too. What's going on, brother? How you doing?
What's going on, man?
Nice to see it out finally.
Hell yeah.
You get the registration issues and everything figured out?
Everything is figured out. That's why it's able to be out here.
I like it. I like it.
Hell yeah.
I like it without the decal, brother. I'm sorry.
No,
it looks way cleaner.
I'm sure it does, but I miss it.
I know. I know.
We miss it. Or yeah, you miss it. There you go.
It looks good though, man. I'm gonna go walk around real quick. It's good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna cry. Bro, hey. He owns a Supra too. Yeah, this is the same kit that I have. My car looks exactly like this, except black.
What's up, bro?
The exact. I'm good, brother. I'm good. Crying over this car.
No.
I love how we all came to the
Yeah.
one, bro.
Dude.
Might take a lot, you know what I mean?
Oh,
Super guys go to the zoo. Yeah, literally.
dude. I cannot wait to have my car done, bro.
That's the next one. Super go back America.
Oh my God, dude. Fucking A. This color combo is crazy.
Immaculate.
The blue and the yellow, oh. Wow. It's gotta be the most annoying shit at any car meet is the bikers revving non-stop. Yep. I've probably seen one of these my whole life, and I get here, and there's three. What is going on? This one is...
This might be the one from back.
You guys know those Insta 360 camera things? I saw you guys be looking with those things on the back window.
Good time.
These new Mustangs, the new body styles are growing on me heavy. This color is really nice too. It's like cement gray, light blue. It's actually just ruined my day.
Yo, did you actually get that license plate?
What?
Gay?
No.
No.
It's available though. Cletus? If I ever have a family. Yep. Slow. That's my boy Christian. Ah! What the hell are you doing, man? Jesus Christ. I got sprayed with fuel. Yeah.
What was that guy doing, bro?
I have no idea. That's what happens when you want attention, but you're scared to drive fast. I don't know if it needs to be said or not. Fast bikes are not impressive. Hey! My brother busted out the home camera. Oh, this thing is actually pretty cool. Not bad. Oh boy. Right towards me. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Brother! What are you doing, brother? Step on the gas, brother. was talking about. Oh, shit, bro. Yo. It's old man Jenkins and his gelato. Motorcycle people crack me up, bro. Just full business. Yeah! Yeah! These people are getting hectic. It's not usually like this. No.
This is sick, bro. I like it.
I'm glad. It's my cousin Don. It's his first car meet. So I'm glad it's getting a little hectic out here. Alright, that's it. We're out. That was fun. I'm glad the weather was decent. It was supposed to be like 95, 100 degrees today. And it's overcast, as you can see. So, saved me from the sun. Luckily. I don't like coming to these when it's too hot, bro. It's miserable. So, I'm really glad the weather was decent. It's breezy. Now I gotta drive this loud, stinky, hot, musty car home. And yeah, that's it. I got a little sketchy. There's a big ass dip in the road, and I was trying to shift with one hand, just pulled the wheel. That was sketchy, but we're alive. This is how I gotta get out of the car. This is how I gotta get out of the car, literally. Oh, look at this. Oh. All right, we made it. We're home. I'm drenched in sweat. The AC in the Supra is not working right now. So that was a miserable little excursion, but we made it, we're good. We're home, car's safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. Today's video, I wasn't really planning on making a video today. But like I told you guys earlier, I just got this camera, so I wanted to see how it did. I think it's cool. It's small, easy to hold, so. Whew. All right, well, I'm dying. I'm going inside. I'm hot. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.